Electricity is an essential part of our modern lives, but storms and climate change are putting our power grids under increasing strain. When the grid fails, it's not just about losing power. It's about losing critical services like water and heating. And as heat waves and storms become more severe, the concern for blackouts is growing, affecting both homes and businesses. The problem is grid design and an ongoing over-reliance on fossil fuels for electricity generation. To create a more reliable and sustainable electric system, we need a solution that reduces emissions and fosters resiliency. Introducing Grid Mix. Grid Mix is simply the proportion of power generated by different sources that supply electricity back to the grid. As demand increases, the grid mix shifts towards dirtier generation, impacting emissions and electricity prices. One key technology that enables grid mix optimization is energy storage. It alleviates the intermittency of clean energy sources like solar and ensures power is supplied efficiently. At Peak Power, we believe in the power of disruption, decentralization, and decarbonization. Our energy storage solutions turn buildings into hubs of a new, cleaner, and more reliable electricity system. With grid mix and energy storage, we can build a more resilient grid, reduce emissions, and pave the way towards a sustainable, decentralized future. Join us in the clean energy revolution. Together, we can make a difference. Contact Peak Power today.